Hey pearl lovers, it's time to dive deep into the sea of elegance with Hammer Jewelers. When your treasured pearls feel a little less than perfect, when the string loosens, a pearl goes missing, or the clasp breaks, don't fret, we've got you covered. We understand the love for your pearls, and we're here to nurture them back to their radiant glory. At Hammer Jewelers, we breathe new life into your adored pearl pieces with our expert pearl stringing, pearl setting, pearl replacement, and clasp replacement services. We treat each pearl as a unique treasure, ensuring it fits seamlessly back into its place, making your jewelry feel as good as new. So why wait? Rejuvenate your pearls now. Drop us a call at 901-853-2829 or visit us on the charming Collierville Town Square. If you can't make it to the store, don't worry, you can explore our services and exquisite collection online at www.hammerjewelers.com. We'd love to hear from you. Share your Hammer Jewelers stories in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button. For all you digital divas and dudes, stay tuned with our latest updates, offers, and breathtaking pieces on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. Be sure to follow and share our posts, because there's always something sparkling happening at Hammer Jewelers.